Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. We're going to make a star like that, or we're going to make a star like that, but we're not going to use the star tool. We're going to use the polygon tool. Set on six-sided. Hold down your control button and hit P. Now change this to 5. You could quite possibly do this with a star, but we're going to use this because this is going to work perfect. Now, I'm going to make a duplicate of that, so I'm going to hit Control D. Then I'm going to take the shape tool, and if you will hold down your control button, it'll be perfect. If you don't, you can get off. So control button, and we want it kind of like a real star. Then we're going to grab this one, holding down the control button. Let's go not so far this time, see what it looks like. So now you have two objects that look like stars. So we can take our Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill that in with burnt orange. We only have to fill in one of the others, because then we're going to take the shape tool or the interactive fill tool, and it's selected, and we're going to go outwardly, but we're going to put black in this end. It's just going to kind of put it on the edges. I think that might look pretty cool. Now, instead of duplicating it around, instead of doing that to 4 more times, I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, which puts my rotation in the center, and I'm going to rotate it 72 degrees. That looks pretty cool. A little bit off. Now, if we put a black box trick, object, order, back a page, I still like this one the best. And now this one, I only did it differently. I split this in half and ran black to each corner with the interactive fill tool, doing it twice. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.